Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to select multiple pages to copy and paste in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show select multiple pages to copy and paste. Firstly, now click for a page. Now select from a all page. Now WordPress from Ctrl A. Now going to the home menu option, then click for a copy. Then going to the another page. Now click for a page, then click for a paste option. That it's. Then again another page from paste. Now click for a another page. Now click for a paste option. That it's. Then we show select multiple pages to copy and paste is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.